In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Reddit community insights. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are running any Reddit community and you wish to find the insights for your community, it's pretty simple. Just log into your Reddit account and then head to communities and then head to communities, and you can see communities are here. From here, choose your community that you created or you have, or if you can see it here, just click on manage communities, and this will list all the communities on your account. Choose your community that you wish to see the insights, and I wish to see insights for this community. So to see the community, head to this right hand sidebar, and down here you can see we have insights. For the past week I have 2 visitors and 1 contribution, and to see more just click on it, and this will open more insights on your community. As you can see, here are more details. Because this is a new community, we don't have much engagement, but here you should be able to see unique visitors and also members. All these details should be here on traffic. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see most viewed posts and most engaging posts details here. So that will be under activity. You can also see more information under team health, as well as reports and removals that are on your account. So that's how you can see insights for your community on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.